Hey babes, I'm really glad that you guys stopped by today. I want you to go ahead. I want you to get comfortable for me. We're going to keep things relaxed today. Just a little stretching, a little movement, and a chance to just unwind together. I've been thinking about challenging myself to finally do the splits. So you'll probably see a lot more flexibility work coming around here. So if you're coming along for the journey, I'm happy to have you, of course. Now, let's ease into it. I like to start here because it helps wake up my spine before I go into any deeper stretches. So after sitting all day long, it's easy for your back to just become stiff, and you need gentle movement like this so it can help improve the mobility, just to get everything moving again. I wanted to hold these stretches for a few breaths just to give my spine a chance to relax and just allow my muscles along my back to gradually release. So I always want to make sure that to pause on both sides of the body so everything just stays nice and balanced. Okay, now we're gonna move into the frog pose, and I'm not gonna lie to you guys. This gets my attention every time because I've been working on my hip flexibility, y'all. I really have, and so I have a goal, and the goal is don't laugh at me, but it's to do the splits one day. So frog pose it is. And frog pose is actually one of those stretches that can help improve the hip mobility as well. So just gradually increase over time, and then maybe I'll be able to do the splits. I wanted to go ahead and settle into that pose and that stretch because I just didn't want to rush through it. So once I let my body relax, I usually ease a little deeper without like forcing anything. So I just practice a lot of breath work when I'm in this position, and it really is therapeutic. When I'm recording these videos, I turn on meditation music in the background, And honestly, I feel like, everything just sort of goes away. I made sure that I kept in control of my breaths in this particular pose because it felt to me that it really made a difference here. So it helped me relax into that stretch just to release any type of tension. So, but if I notice that I get a little tight, I just make a few small adjustments and then it'll make the flexibility just work a lot better. I guess you would call these, what do they call those in yoga? I think they forward folds. Yeah, well, that's what we'll call it. I think that's what they call it though. So, and this one in particular is one of my favorites. It's pretty simple, but it just feels like there's a lot going on. So I just gently shift my weight from side to side, and I feel the stretch travel through my calves, and I really like that. Okay, this one I like. Yeah, I lift my leg with control. So instead of using momentum, it helps me work on both my flexibility and my strength. So I'll sort of point my toes to the ceiling and I'll move slowly because it helps me just stay connected to whatever movement that I'm going into instead of rushing through anything. Okay, this one is where things start to get a little interesting. So I'm trying to get my leg all the way up to my shoulder. I was able to do this in my 20s, and I want to be able to do this. This is a goal of mine. So some days are easier than others because I usually do this at least 3 or 4 times a week just to keep up with that flexibility. So today took a little convincing because I was kind of sore from yesterday. Getting back in the gym, it's been a bit of a challenge, but hey, I'm getting through it. I had to take a quick moment here because whew, it really does take a lot out of you. This one is good. Let's just stay right here and stretch and just give the body a chance to settle instead of trying to just force into the next pose. Let's finish with one last deep stretch. We're gonna just take slow breaths in, and as you exhale, just see if you can soften a little more, like not forcing it, just letting your body all the way relax. Thank you for spending time with me today. I hope you like our new microphone. This is our new way of recording now. So if you're following along my journey to the splits, I'd love to have you back for the next session. So until next time, go take care of yourself.